Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Sony headphones to another device. First, make sure your Sony headphones are charged. A full charge ensures uninterrupted pairing. Next, confirm that Bluetooth is active on the device you wish to connect to. This is usually found in your device's settings menu. Keep your headphones and the device close, ideally within 1 meter, to facilitate a smooth connection process. Let's get started. Now let's put your Sony headphones into pairing mode. Locate the power button, usually on one of the ear cups. Press and hold this button for approximately 7 seconds. You'll notice an indicator light begin to flash, typically alternating between blue and red. This specific flashing pattern is your signal that the headphones are ready to be discovered by another device. It's a crucial step for successful connection. With your headphones in pairing mode, it's time to find them on your device. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. You'll usually find an option to scan for devices or pair new device. Tap or click this to refresh the list. Your Sony headphones should appear in the list of available devices, often by their model name. Be patient, as this scan might take a few moments. Finally, let's complete the connection. Once you see your Sony headphones listed, simply tap or click on their name to initiate the pairing. Your headphones will usually provide an audible confirmation, like a voice prompt saying Bluetooth connected, or the indicator light might change to a steady blue. After connecting, play some audio to ensure everything is working perfectly. Enjoy your music or calls with your newly connected Sony headphones.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.